Use linear approximation to estimate, let's say, the fourth root of 18. Alrighty. Go ahead. No one had any questions. So you're all experts. Okay. What we got? Who wants to explain how to approach this problem? Uh-oh.
I made the equation x to the 1/4. I don't know if that's right, but
So what are you exactly saying? Are you saying you found the tangent line?
I made f of x to the 1/4.
Okay, so you put f of x equals x to the 1/4. Okay, keep going.
And then I used the tangent line at 16 since we know the fourth root of 16 and it's close to 18.
Okay, good. So notice very carefully, right? Listen to what Jacqueline said. She said she chose the tangent line at x equals 16, and she gave two reasons, and they're both important. Because I know the fourth root of 16, That's very important. And because 16 is close to 18, right? Both of those reasons are important, right? Because you need to be able to get the tangent line, and the thing that you're approximating needs to be near that point of tangency, right? The x values. So find the tangent line at x equals 16. So now let's actually do that. All right. So again, once you have chosen that, getting the tangent line should be very automatic to all of you, right? So first of all, is it x equals 16? Yeah, okay. So 16 and then 16 to the 1/4 is 2, right? And then my slope, my derivative is what? 1/4 x to the negative 3/4. I plug in x equals 16. And what do we get for this slope? Not Jacqueline, because she already did it. What's this? What is 1/4 times 16 to the negative 3/4? You don't need a calculator for that. What is it? 1/32. Mohammed, why are you so confused? You got the right answer. Why'd you give me like a scowl? You got the right answer. Okay. So 1/32. Okay, cool. And then we have the equation of my tangent line is what? Y equals 2 plus 1/32 times x minus 16. Okay. Again, like in the spirit of the last problem, you don't have to write this, but let's just remind ourselves as we're still learning it, why did I just find this tangent line? Why am I doing this? Okay. Can someone say in their own words, why are we doing this? Why did we say the tangent line? I mean, we kind of just said it a little bit ago, but let's just keep on refreshing it. Why did I just find this tangent line? Why is this useful? To estimate where x equals 18 might be? Well, I know where x equals 18 might be. I think what you're trying to say is what exactly we're trying to estimate what? Right, try to approximate the y value when x is 18. Good, right? What was that phrase I said at the beginning that we have to keep remembering for all these problems? The tangent line approximates the function near the point of tangency, right? So there's in the language or in the spirit of the last problem, I'll write that little note again. So this means that if what? If x is near 16, right? Because that's the point of tangency. Then what? The y value of my tangent line is approximately the same thing as the y value of my original function, right? Those two things are approximately equal, those two y values. Then x to the 1/4 is approximately equal to 2 plus 1/32 times x minus 16. Okay, so now we obviously can get 18 to the 1/4. So 18 to the 1/4 is approximately 2 plus 1/32, 18 minus 16. So I get 2/32, I get 2 plus 1/16. So that is 2.0625. Cool. It's easy to take the 4th root of 16. That's correct. But I think someone, let me see. I think you guys are responding to someone. What did we get in chat? Why is x equals 16 and not 17? Why did so why did I choose 17? Well, do you know the 7, like Jacqueline and Ashika said, do you know the 17 to the 1/4 power? I don't think so, right? You need a calculator for that. And that kind of goes against the spirit of the problem, right? Yeah, exactly. So 16 is near 18, and I know 16 to the 1/4 is 2. For instance, I also know x equals 1 and x equals 81 would also work in the sense that I can get the tangent, right? I know 81 to the 1/4 is 3, and 1 to the 1/4 is 2. But what's the problem with using x equals 1 and x equals 81? What's the problem with both of those? They're not close to 18, right? Exactly. Now, if I asked you what is the 4th root of 50, that's a different. That'd be kind of a fun question, right? What point of tangency do you use for the 50 to the 1/4? Do you use 16 or do you use 81? but I'm not gonna add, I mean, questions like that are beyond the scope of the course. So, but it is kind of interesting to think, what would you use? Which one would offer a better approximation? Which one do you think would offer a better approximation? The 16 or the 81? You think the 81?